Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we will discuss one of the jobs that I have posted today. So before we start the video, I would like to give you a heads up that I have been posting the jobs in LinkedIn for every 5 minutes, and we have successfully crossed posting more than 16,800 jobs. So I recommend you follow my profile. I will share the link in the description as well, so that you can always get the job updates quickly in the LinkedIn. So let's discuss about Korea job opening 16,801. HCLTech companies hiring for senior test lead position at Hyderabad location. You can apply to the job using this link. So let's talk about this job more. I have opened the link. So basically, this is the job description, guys. They're hiring for a senior test lead at Hyderabad location, and they're looking for someone with Python skills and secondary skills is accessibility testing and software testing. We have two openings. I mean, HCLTech is going to hire two positions for this role, two users. And let's see what kind of skills they're looking for. They're looking for someone who are very proficient in accessibility testing methodologies and tools, experiencing manual and automated post-testing, excellent analytical and problem-solving skills, strong leadership and communication abilities to effectively mediate and collaborative stakeholders. So these are the skill requirements, and they're looking for someone who can handle these responsibilities. I recommend you take a look at it. And yeah, so when you can apply to this job, so I recommend you to apply for this job before it expires. And who can apply to this job? Everyone here, they did not mention any specific experience or something. But if it is a senior role, I suspect they're looking for someone with 5+ year tech experience. But let's say if you are going to have these three skills, I recommend you apply for the job. We are doing no harm. And how you can apply to the job, you can click on apply. So once you click on apply, it will redirect you to the login page for our firm. So this is the position when they have posted, and this is what they're looking for. And you can click on apply now again. And you need to, you need to create an account if you are first time applying. If you have applied in the past, you would be having an email address and password, and keep your resume in hand for that. You can move forward. And let's discuss about salary part as well. I did some tweaks with ChatGPT. So basically, for the HCL Tech Senior Test Lead role, with 8 to 16 years of experience, HCL Tech companies hiring around paying around 14.3 lakhs to 26 lakh per annum. And as per Indeed reports, an average salary of 16.36 LPA. They're paying for senior test lead roles. And Glassdoor face that Hitzel tech companies paying around 11 LPA to 18 LPA with additional 2 LPA, maybe bonus. So this is when it comes to Hitzel tech salaries. And based upon the location for this role, given the location is Hyderabad, and the typical industry areas to offer further job would likely fall. Entry-level senior, like 5 to 8 years of experience, you can expect around 12 lakhs per annum to 16 lakhs per annum. If you're if you're having more than 8+ year from experience, so the pay would be around fixed LPA to 22 LPA. If you're highly senior and super efficient in this testing field, you may get up to 2012 PA to 2012 PA. So these are just estimation from ChatGPT. This will be more or less. I just wanted to share this else reference. That's it. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. Please do take a look and apply for this job before it expires. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. for more job related information videos. Thank you and have a great day.